Dr. Najarian and my dear friend, Dr. Anthony Tortolani, who's head of heart surgery, I think at Methodist, is part of the system. And he told me about Dr. Härtl and was present at NewYork Presbyterian. And so I consulted with Dr. Härtl, and we've been good to go since. Before the surgery, I couldn't walk more than 10 meters. I was not able to engage in my usual activities of skiing, racing my sailboat, and particularly working because I'm active with little children. I'm on the floor playing games, building blocks, and it was beginning to cause interference with that, and I had to do something. Dr. Härtl was recommending surgery to fuse L4-5 and L5-S1, and also to insert 2 titanium plates in the areas, assuring me I would even grow a little taller. Unfortunately, even during COVID, Dr. Härtl was available, and June 1st of 2020, I was in and out, 5-hour surgery, I was out the next day, and on my way to recovery. I would say, Dr. Härtl, thank you very much. It's been a delight. I followed up everything you've said. I'm skiing again, I'm racing my boat again, and I do the exercises they recommended, and I have no discomfort, and I'm back to where I was before. I would strongly recommend that they go see Dr. Roger Härtl at NewYork Presbyterian. He's professional, he's quick and effective and responsive to everything, and it was very successful.